In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into HubSpot CRM 2025 step by step. We'll walk through the complete sign-in flow so you can get into your account quickly and confidently. This walkthrough assumes you already have a HubSpot account and your login credentials ready. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Any modern browser works well, and a stable internet connection will make the process smoother. In the address bar, type the HubSpot website and press enter to load the homepage. Once the page opens, look to the top right corner and click the login button. This takes you to the secure sign-in screen. Now enter your login details. Type the email address associated with your HubSpot account exactly as it appears on your profile. It helps to slow down and watch for common typos, like missing dots or letters. Then enter your password. Passwords are case sensitive, so make sure caps lock isn't on and avoid extra spaces if you're copying and pasting. For your security, only enter these details on the official HubSpot page and check that the web address shows a secure connection. After your email and password are in place, click the login button. If everything looks good, HubSpot will begin signing you in. You might see a brief loading moment as your account is verified. Sometimes you'll be asked to complete a quick verification step. This could be a code sent to your email or a prompt from your two-factor authentication app. Open your email or authentication app, retrieve the code, and carefully type it into the verification field. These codes usually expire quickly, so use the most recent one you receive. Remember, verification codes are private, so keep them secure. Once verification is complete, you'll be redirected to your HubSpot dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can access your contacts to manage relationships, your deals to track opportunities and pipelines, and your marketing tools to build and monitor campaigns. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right account and workspace. Then use the top navigation to move to the area you need. A few quick tips to wrap up. Consider bookmarking the login page so future access is just one click away. Always sign out if you're using a shared device, and keep your browser up to date for the best performance and security. If you run into trouble signing in, double check your email and password and make sure your connection is stable. That's it. You're now ready to log in and get to work inside HubSpot CRM.